Today we're going to jump into something new. I've been a mechanic most of my life, and I normally don't fall for the gimmick stuff that you can buy, like oil additives and stuff like that. Just never been a believer in that stuff. But I recently got turned on to Stage 8, the locking bolt system, that company, and checking out their product. So I was like, what the hell? Let's try it, because header bolts on these things always fall out. GM probably should have got with this company for their LS stuff, because the bolts that aren't seized in the head or broke off are usually missing. I got a set. We're going to put them on the headers of the Monte Carlo. Simple deal. Comes with the bolts. They are recessed for, or they have the ring in it for the lock. The little locking tabs, and of course we're going to call these Jesus clips, because taking off a clip like this, normally you go to pry it off and that thing will just take off, and of course you always say Jesus. So today we're going to install these on the headers of the Monte Carlo. Now, I've not done these before.